if you do have a Nintendo Switch, I probably would hold off. Hey everybody, what's going on? It's JD and welcome back to another review type video. It seems that you all enjoy these from what I've seen on that Nintendo Switch Lite review. We got over like 72,000 views. I don't know, it could be higher by the time I upload this, but thank you all for watching that. And you know what? I actually cut out a pretty large portion of that video because I wanted to make it shorter, so I thought maybe I would upload that instead. So this is a side-by-side comparison of the Nintendo Switch and the Nintendo Switch Lite from the information that was given to me on Nintendo's website. So you can go see it yourself if you'd like to, but this is me reviewing it and looking through it and talking about it as it goes. So yeah, enjoy this. Okay, y'all, so first things first, we're here on the official Nintendo website's Compare Systems page, where you can see that the Nintendo Switch is $299 compared to the Nintendo Switch Lite, which is $199, which is pretty cool. So you get $100 off. Now we got play modes, where on the Nintendo Switch you have TV mode, tabletop mode, handheld mode, but on the Switch Lite it is only handheld mode, something to consider. Compatible games, all Nintendo Switch games, Nintendo Switch Lite, Nintendo Switch games that support handheld mode. But I mean, I think it's one of those things where you can still play a majority of everything. It says see details below. I can get into that in a second. We got the Joy-Con controllers, where we know that the Nintendo Switch comes with the Joy-Con controllers, and Joy-Con controllers are not included on the Switch Lite because it is all one built-in system. Now, you know, they got the Switch dock. Everyone knows about this. You can hook it up to your TV, includes that Nintendo Switch dock, HDMI cable, docking system, allows you to output to television. The Switch Lite isn't made for that. It's not compatible with it, nor does it support it. It's more for when you're on the go and trying to be portable. Now here are the dimensions. We got 4 inches high by 9.4 inches long, 55 inches deep with the Joy-Cons attached, compared to the Switch Lite with the 3.6 high, 8.2 long, 55 deep. And the weight, I mean, I don't know if you care about this, but yeah, 8.88 pounds, 0.61 pounds, look at that. Touchscreen, 6.2 touchscreen and a 5.5 touchscreen. I like the Switch Lite touchscreen because you kind of get the full aspect ratio of it. And then we got on, last but not least, battery life, approximately 2.5 to 6.5 hours on the Switch and 3 to 7 hours on the Switch Lite. Approximately about, what, 4.5 to 9 hours, I guess, if you have your Nintendo Switch charging and not playing games really hardcore. Yeah, all right, so that's a quick little compatibility thing right here. You're looking at it on the screen. Handheld icon, it'll tell you specifically what games probably do and do not coexist with it, but I'm pretty sure a majority of all of them do. But yeah, you're seeing right there what you can get with the Switch Lite compared to what you can't get with the Nintendo Switch. Okay, so that was me reading the side-by-side comparison of what the Nintendo Switch does versus the Nintendo Switch Lite. I still think the Nintendo Switch Lite is a worthy purchase if you don't have a Nintendo Switch. If you do have a Nintendo Switch, I probably would hold off. But hey, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share, links in the description below, subscribe. You guys can check me out on Twitch. I'm there, I stream pretty consistently. And if you like these types of videos, let me know in the comments down below, or hit that like button, or share this video. I have some other ideas for videos similar to it, revolving around video games and other topics, and if you like them enough, I'll create it. All right, I'll catch you all in the next one. Have a nice day. Peace.